coastal area sea view. And all the house they built along the slope. And before they with the dirt to cover the ceiling, because only the dark part can prevent the water. But right now there's the modern construction, so there's no such view of the black cover. Okay, we'll go up. We'll stop here and go up on the right-hand side stairs and walking up. Yeah, that's the Jiufen police station. We'll go up by these stairs.